What's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today it's actually the next day, but yesterday it was raining and I took the M2 out on a nice little just POV drive for you guys. We also found some parking lots that I went and slid around in, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. As always, man, thank you guys so much for all the recent support. But yeah, I'm just gonna hop right into it. I hope you guys enjoy this. I also forgot to show you guys what we are driving in today's video. So obviously we're driving this 2024 BMW G87 M2. But I also wanted to say, if you guys want to start seeing me swing the Vette, I'd be more than happy to. I just want to get an exhaust done for it so you guys can hear something other than the tires screeching. But with that being said, this is what we're going to be taking out. So I'm going to go ahead and swing over to yesterday's POV. All right, we just started up. You can't hear it because there's too much fucking rain happening in the car. But as you can see, just need to defrost the whip a little bit, and then we'll go get some sliding content in for you guys. It's time to go find the parking lot and time to go slide. But it actually is kind of bad out, I'm not gonna lie. I think this is like remnants from, or this is like a storm from hurricane something. Yeah, I guess I'm sliding my shit in a fucking hurricane. A hurricane style weather. This Pilot Sport 4 is gonna have to put in some fucking work, bro. No cap. I am gonna take it easy though to get to the parking lot because simply just don't wanna fucking crash. Because this rain is actually pretty bad right now, I won't lie. I wasn't expecting it to be like this, but it is. And for those of you asking, why are you even bringing your car out in this condition? Not gonna lie, my dad got his car clean, so I gave him my garage because I went away this weekend. So I kind of want to just keep his car clean for him. My car was already rained on earlier today and yesterday, so just thought, why not? I don't really care if my car gets dirty, I'll clean it tomorrow. Not a big deal. But yeah, man, we're just heading on down to the parking lot and down to off of the mountain because up here, it's definitely a lot worse. It's darker, so the rain is automatically just feels worse than what it would if it were light out. We're gonna get away from the trees and everything. There is some puddles. I hope I don't hydroplane, bro, because that would not be fun. Ooh, I do gotta dodge that shit. Fuck, bud. Like, look right here. Look at this puddle. Boy, I'm gonna fucking flood out my car. It's like, nah, let me not even say that. I hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys had a great weekend this past weekend. I actually went away to the beach and it was a lot of fun. It was well needed. I've been doing nothing but working for the past like year and a half, 2 years. So it felt good to just finally take some time off, like a couple days and just really not even really worry about work or anything. I am very appreciative for all the recent support on all the videos. It means the world to me. So with that being said, please make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. And as always, let me know what you guys want to see down below. I'll slide here on my way back a few times. I've been in talks with an exhaust company, hoping to get that figured out soon so I can get an exhaust and get some new, fresh mods on this car and content for you guys. Then I will also be doing downpipes and a tune, but I'm trying to decide if I want to do downpipes or an exhaust right now. They're both pretty much around the same price. So it's just about figuring out which one I want to do. I'm thinking the exhaust would make more sense. It'd be louder. Probably more of what I'm looking for, but yeah, I don't know. Hey, also, for those of you wondering, this car handles very well in the rain. I can't lie, it's heavy. It's 3,800 pounds. So with that being said, it definitely is put to use. It stays grounded. I really can grip up well, even on these Pilot Sport 4S's that are the summer tires. They are not the all seasons. So with that being said, this car is really one of the best cars out right now, I feel like. Even though it's rear wheel drive, if you drive normal in the rain, you don't need to go crazy in the rain. There's no reason to ever go crazy in the rain. But if you're driving normally, this car is very, very good in the rain. I think the only reason to drive a little bit crazy in the rain is like going to a parking lot or sliding a few corners or shit like that. But driving fast in the rain is just kind of idiotic in my opinion. Okay, yeah, see, like, bro, that fucking puddle just macked my shit. We are at the spot. This is the third parking lot. The middle parking lot where I'm gonna be sliding, then there's another parking lot. So it's 3 parking lots all connected. So I'm gonna go ahead and have some fun. And I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be sliding around, but I'm gonna make sure that I get enough content for you guys. So if we have to find another parking lot, we will. I already told you I'm gonna go hit that one on the way home. So let's go ahead and hit this one. They're fresh tires, so it might take a little bit for them to really do what they are meant to do for me right now. But we're gonna have some fun. This parking lot is fucking filled with water. Move this down because I know my head's gonna be angled up. Just tried swinging a little bit wider that time. I'm gonna go ahead and just do some normal ones, because I have been wanting to try to do it a little bit wider, but it does take a little bit more skill. Oh yeah, bud. That wheel spin was going crazy. My tires are gripping, bro. Oh my god. These bitches don't want to slide, bro, at all. Like, they are gripping up so fucking much. Why, bro? Hey, look at the rainbow. It's in the parking lot. Bro, stop it. Stop it, car. Stop it. All right, bro. This bitch does not want to fucking lose traction. This bitch just wants to grip up, bro. I'm gonna have to put a lot of PSI in the tire and then run it. Bro, it's not. It doesn't want to slide at all. Like, this shit is actually insane. These are the best tires I think I've ever had in my life. Like, bro, how am I gripping up that much all the way to 60? Like, did you see that? Yo, this shit is way too much fun of a car.
Hello there. Hello.
Better not be security back there. Hey, I know there's gonna be some hate in the comments about how ass I am at sliding, but I don't really want to hear it. I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm here to just enjoy my car and learn my car. So, yeah, with that being said, suck a dick if you want to hate. No cap. I'm enjoying my life. No bullshit. We'll go try this down here. We'll see what it's talking about. I just want to hop out and check my tires real quick. Yeah, they're starting to get lower, bro. These fucking tires grip up so well. It's kind of insane. So with that being said, we're gonna go slide around like 1 or 2 more times, and then that's it. We had like 3 or 4 attempts there where the car just didn't want to fucking do anything, bro. That bitch just wanted to go straight, and that's all it fucking wanted to do. It is fun though. This rain is fucking terrible.
You don't say. You don't say.
Fucking just gonna say that this is a POV of me driving around in the fucking hurricane, bro. What the fuck? Because that's like what I'm pretty much doing right now. It does look pretty gas over here though, I'm not gonna hold you. Might just have to make this lot my fucking bitch real quick. Big puddles over here, man. Holy fuck. With that being said, I guess now we're just driving around in the hurricane. I do want to stop at another lot, contemplating doing it right now. Only thing that's stopping me is the fact that these tires really do not want to give at all, bro. It would be a lot more fun if these tires would give, but they grip up so well. It's like insane. As you guys can see, this thing fucking handles great. I love this car. This car is really everything that I ever could have wanted and ever could have dreamed of having. And I'm just very, very blessed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep saying it. I didn't get a chance to go to MPAC this year. Unfortunately, it was yesterday, but I really do wish I was able to. A lot of my friends and recent friends I've made over social media and everything, they went. So just kind of feeling a little bit disheartened about that, but it's all good, man. Gonna definitely show up next year and go show my face and meet all these nice people and everything. All right, we're going quick right here. Like super fucking fast. That dude just saw me sliding. That was probably the best slide yet. Whew. Oi! I just hit a fat ass fucking puddle. Holy shit, this too. Oh my days. Oh yeah. Oh my god! What am I going through, bro? This is mad. This is mad things. Look at all the flooding, bro. Holy shit. But yeah, man, wanted to get that last little slide in for you guys. And yeah, that's probably gonna do it with all this sliding stuff and doing donuts and shit. I'm crossing over the double yellow because there's shit in the road. Shut up. All right, I know that it wasn't anything crazy driving in the rain, but I still thought that it would be a little bit fun to upload something like this today. And I know that the sliding was not anything what you guys are used to seeing or anything great, but that's literally just because these tires grip up so well, and the power of this car is not as much to like really get them cooking. Like, you really got to get these things cooked off the car in order to really like have some fun sliding this thing. All right, before I go home, I decide I'm gonna go get some pizza for me and my dad. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go home. But yeah, I'm now just driving in normal mode because there's no reason to go drive in crazy mode, especially if I'm not trying to, like, obviously I'm not trying to do anything fucking insane right now. Also, let me know if you guys like all the talking and everything. Half the POVs I watch, nobody talks and nobody adds any funny shit into the videos. It's just fucking stale driving. Like who actually wants to watch that, bro? Nobody. It's not fun at all. I wish there was another parking lot on my way, but I really don't know of any other ones right here that I could stop at. There's a train station. I don't want to slide there because, again, I need a big parking lot because I don't have, that's a good one. I just don't have enough power to like really just make me slide however much I want. Like, I really am held back by the car a little bit just because of it not having enough power and just how much grip these tires produce. I'm not gonna lie, I was just pulling out of a parking lot and I swear I scraped the middle bottom of my car. Not like where my lip is, but I scraped the middle. This is the first time it's ever happened to me, bro. I didn't even really know I had to be careful for shit like that. Because I was going up a hill, and then it kind of went downhill a little. That was like insane. Like, I don't know what to think. Like, I definitely just scraped some shit underneath my car, but I don't know what it was. But again, with this car being just a little bit shy of 500 horsepower and the way that it's set up, and it's lowered now obviously too, it really does not like to give on any form of the pavement. It really does struggle to just give and have fun so I can do circles and shit. But I guess it's doing its job, so that's not bad. I guess I could also put the PSI up on the tires and do like, I don't know, I could bump it up to like 45 next time before I go out. But I would just like to be able to just cook some tires whenever I want. So maybe I'll get this tune going, get some 550 to 600 horsepower in this thing, and then she'll be cooking the way that she needs to be cooking, so I can make this content for you guys and so that I can just enjoy it for myself at the end of the day. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. And as always, man, thank you guys so much for all the recent support. I know I said it earlier, but I'm going to say it again. I really do appreciate it. It means the world to me. This is a big dream of mine to make this content and everything. So I'm hoping you guys can see that and we can make this happen together. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Take it easy. Peace.